Oh my God.
Wow. Good job, Griffin.
I'm like, oh my God. Holy moly. No, don't play with that, Griffin.
No, Griffin.
Griffin.
You're in there.
Griffin, no. Come here. Walk over here.
He didn't want,
Yeah, don't play with that.
really crawl.
No, no. Griffin, walk over here. Walk over here. Come over here. Come over.
Yeah?
Griffin, show us what you got.
Griffin? Yeah? Are you going to show your walk? Walk.
Walk over here.
What's in here? Oh, Snippy. Mommy's doing all the laundry. It's all empty. What are you looking for?
Hammer. Always look for the hammer.
It's right there.
Hammer. Hammer.
Oh. The hammer in the,
Oh, he's going to put the hammer in the hamper.
In there. When it lasts.
Yeah, the hammer's better than ours.
Yeah, because I didn't remember the hammer was supposed to be in there.
The hammer is going
In there.
in the hamper. Say bye-bye.
The hammer in the clothes hamper. Oh, Griffin,
Yeah.